All right, folks, this is going to be a delicious little recipe. I started out with a Pillsbury pizza crust, and this is a thin crust. I laid it out on my cutting board here. I took my pizza cutter knife and I cut it into 6 pieces, equal size, and we're going to fit them into the muffin pan. So now you see we fit them into the muffin pan quite loosely, and I purposely left a little bit of these hanging out the edge. You'll see why later. All right, so next we have a couple of cups of chopped up chicken breast meat. You could use fresh meat or canned meat, doesn't matter. I have 1 can of mixed vegetables with potatoes here. We're going to add that in here. Now we're going to go for a can of cream of chicken soup. Dump that in here. Try to empty the can. All right. Now we're going to mix this all up. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So now we're going to give this a good mix up here with all of our veggies and our cream of chicken and our chicken meat all together. All right, next, one by one, we are going to fill up our little muffins here. Next, we're going to top with 1 little piece of cheese in each one. And I say little, and it's not really little. We're cheesing it up. All right, now I'm going to try to seal these up somewhat and fold these corners in to the top, okay? Try to leave enough dough hanging out the top so you can do this to fold them up. Some of this dough is kind of spongy, so I'll just do the best I can here. Once we bake it, it'll come up and stick pretty good, so not too worried about that. All right, here we go. Let's throw these in the oven, 425 for between 5 to 10 minutes. We'll keep an eye on them. Alrighty, our little chicken biscuit pies are done. I had to cook them for 30 minutes at 425, okay? So let's just take one of these out here. I already let them cool down for about 10 minutes, but they really look and they smell delicious. Oh yeah. It tastes better than a regular little chicken pot pie you would buy, frozen one. Way better. Make sure you let the dough get toasty. That is the key. Got your cheese, your chicken, your veggies, everything in there. Awesome. I'm going to eat a couple of these right now. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. Delicious and easy to make. Thank you. Bye-bye.